Natasha Koch here with the Van City Home Team, and welcome to this Tuesday's Real Estate Tips. Not about real estate at all. We're talking about taxes. Not my favorite topic, but we have to do it, and we all have to pay taxes. So all of you small business owners out there, I hope that this will help you. If you want to subscribe, please click below so you can watch all of my shows about real estate tips. But this time we're going to talk about the 8 tax savings tips for Canadians. So let's talk about the first one. As a small business owner, balance your dividend salary mix. So as a business owner, you're going to be entitled to withdrawing cash from your corporation as either a dividend or a salary. So talk to your accountant or your bookkeeper about making sure that you remain balanced with this and that you're not taking out too much or not enough, and prepare yourself for the following year. Number 2, know what your eligible expenses are. As a business owner, you have tons of tax write-offs that are different in every industry. I can provide you with a list for real estate. For all you realtors out there that would like a copy of that, please let me know. And for other business owners, you may think of things like restaurant owners. They have expenses, for travel or testing new recipes or restaurant equipment. Some others might be rent, of course, and your overhead, of course. And, any kind of legitimate business expense, gas, vehicle, all that kind of stuff. But know what they are. And if you need help, talk to your accountant again, because they will be able to give you an example of a list for your type of business. Number 3, keep track of your money. Prepare, because tax prep doesn't take 2 seconds, and you don't want to be doing it in the midst of the busiest time of year, which is now. And for real estate agents especially, get your taxes organized way before, because now we're in the busy market. So also keep track of what's happened in the last 7 years, because if there needs to be any questions asked, you want to make sure that you've documented and you have a copy of the last 7 years of your taxes. Number 4, consider paying it monthly. Maybe you don't want a big, huge tax bill at once, one time every year. So you can divide it up throughout the year based on the determination that your accountant will make on what your taxes is going to be. Number 5, consider a health spending account, HSA. Look it up or talk to your accountant. A lot of people turn to, traditional health insurance because it's marketed widely, but you can actually, develop a health spending account. And so check it out. It may be helpful to your business. Number 6, paying a salary to your family. I know that my son has delivered flyers to, for my business before. And so you can do some income splitting, or your spouse, if they're your assistant or working somehow in your business. Number 7, apprenticeship, job creation tax credit. If your business hires tradespeople, consider applying for an apprenticeship job creation tax credit. It could be valued up to $2,000. Number 8, create a separate company for tax deferred investing. Now with realtors, that's a little bit tricky. We'd actually have to start a new company for holding properties and buying, for the process of resale if it was real estate. But you can definitely create a separate company, and we can also, in order to defer some tax. So again, I'm not a registered accountant, but these are things that I've learned along the way that I want to share with you. Mainly talk to your accountant. If you don't have one, now's the time to find one. Interview them to see, number 1, how many people have been audited that they look after, and what their fees are, of course, and what they do for them. Now, my accountant happens to be my bookkeeper also, so he keeps track of everything along the way. Yours doesn't have to be. Whatever works for your type of business, make it work. And I know that once we get through this, we hope to have an amazing, profitable rest of the year. I hope that you found this informative, and we'll see you next week for Tuesday Tips.